I'm Leo Lanzillo, the CFO and Innovation and Strategy Officer with the Northridge Group. I'm here today to discuss my latest blog entitled How to Capture and Leverage Insights from Big Data. I'm going to talk about some of the techniques associated with the term big data and how these techniques can help when adapting to changes in data or data sources. I hope you enjoy the blog, and please feel free to leave comments in the section below. Welcome to the Operations Made Better audio blog. We are here to share ideas and insights about our services and solutions. My name is Leo Lanzillo, and I am the CFO and Strategy and Innovation Officer here at the Northridge Group. For those of you who may not be familiar with our firm, we are a management consulting firm specializing in customer experience solutions, quality solutions, and customer analytics, and business transformation initiatives for a variety of Fortune 200 companies across all major verticals. Today, I am here to share my blog on how to capture and leverage big data insights. If your organization is like most, you might be overwhelmed by the volume of information available at your fingertips. To make it worse, the growth rate on this data continues to increase. Data, and lots of it, is being produced more rapidly than ever before. How can you capture this data and use it to help you and your organization make better decisions, and ideally to predict future behavior and events? Historically, you might approach this challenge in a very structured way. First, you might commission a team to examine the raw data, build a data dictionary, construct a database, and then have a team of analysts write a set of queries and views to give you and your team access to slices of the data. Ideally, this approach would be formalized into an ongoing operational process that provided valuable insights to you and your organization. This is a tried and tested approach which, with the luxury of time and resources, has the potential to produce useful results from the captured data. However, with information growing at a rapid pace, what happens when your data changes? Frequently, in the middle of this analysis, the structure or the format of the data source may change, or you might discover a new, potentially insightful data source, which could be very helpful, but also might set back your timeline as you adjust to the new information or the new data stream. Chances are good that you would need something quicker and more flexible to adapt to changes in the data or in the data sources. You can address these needs by adopting some of the techniques frequently associated with the popular term big data, which has characteristics that you may recognize and solutions that you can leverage. Some of these characteristics include an abundance of data sources, both structured and unstructured data, a flexible data schema that seamlessly and in real time incorporates new fields and data types, a tremendous number of variables with underutilized or unknown correlations and interactions, real-time input streams that continually update and could influence your conclusion. Fortunately, the cloud can provide resources and tools to quickly and flexibly meet these requirements. At some level, the above challenges exist for any organization. It's all relative, and the techniques and approaches can often be scaled up or down. Whether you truly have big data or not, cloud services and the data analysis techniques available within them provide elements and approaches that you can apply to your data. The key is to have a step-at-a-time approach that puts some governance around the data and builds repeatable processes that make the information readily accessible to many users. It's best to start by defining the goals, understanding the sources of the data, and setting the appropriate data boundaries, such as time, resources, questions, and the tolerance. This sounds simple and obvious, but frequently, when many data points and variables are involved, it is not always easy to know which goals to focus on. I like the analogy of poking a hole in a dike to release the backflow of water. The knowledge may start out as a trickle, but as you start to widen that hole, the force of the water starts working on your side, and the outflow of the water or information accelerates. Analyzing your data can be an iterative process, which can lead to a constant back and forth of testing approaches, tweaking variables or algorithms, and comparing results. It's important to evaluate the cost and benefit of your changes, as this can easily burn time and resources. Examine cloud services as a place for capturing and storing your data, and for using the associated tools for aggregating and analyzing it. Cloud-based storage techniques can provide schema-on-read capabilities that flexibly absorb new fields and feeds. The trick for efficient cloud implementation is to find the balance between compute and data resources, and this balance is often dependent on the types of data that you are collecting and the desired insights you are seeking. Finally, when you have found a way through your data to identify root problems or even to predict future actions, you need to operationalize the process and tools. This requires solidifying the data collection and transformation process, hardening the analysis processes, and then disseminating the results in a way that is easy to understand and act upon. It may take some pre-work to prep your colleagues to expect and to accept the new information. The journey from start to finish is not a straight line, even less so when you are just beginning. However, as you build experience and knowledge of your data, your transformations, algorithms, and outputs that drive the most benefit, you will be on your way to leveraging the cloud and data analytics techniques that can grow your organization's capabilities and responsiveness. Thanks for joining us for our Operations Made Better audio blog. Our team here at the Northridge Group is always available to assist you. If you would like to learn more about the extensive services we offer, please visit our website at www.northridgegroup.com. Thank you all for listening, and we hope you can join us again next time.